I'm going to try to turn $1,000 into $10,000 with only day trading. Let's get into it.
Yeah. Hey.
It officially is that time, guys. It is 10 a.m. on Monday. We are about to start the live stream up in about 2 seconds. And right now, we're just scanning SPY, QQQ, and IWM, and then our individual stocks, just for the trades of the days. But we're gonna be patient because it's a Monday, but let's get it. This is the first day. Right now, we're looking at an inverse value gap setup. All the chat is here. Say what's up to YouTube chat. All of them are here for the challenge and just everyday Inner Circle members. We're about to get into this setup, hopefully, and hopefully it plays out. All right, vlog, just got done out of our first trade of the day, first trade of the challenge. Unfortunately, we did get stopped out around here. We had a random sweep above and then just absolutely tanked. But it's all good. Our risk management is good, so we didn't lose a lot at all. So we are gonna look for the next trade in PM session, and we're gonna stick to our rules, and we're gonna be fine. Some people won the trade because they had a really good fill. I didn't lose that much. We're still good. Account is still chilling. Yeah, it sucks taking a loss, the first trade of a whole entire challenge. But again, our risk management was perfect. Like, we didn't lose that much. We're looking to have a great trade in the PM session. If not, we don't take a trade in the PM session. Simple as that. I'm not gonna go cry about it. I'm not gonna do anything except write in my journal what I did, what I thought I could do better, and how I'm gonna come back the next trade. What specifically mentally I need to put in my brain to make sure I don't ever make a mistake, make sure I don't ever get stopped out again, make sure I don't lose another trade this whole entire challenge. We can do it, and I know we can do it because we've done it before. I'll see you guys after I eat, after I get my mind right, maybe go to the gym. We'll be back for PM session. It is officially time for PM session, 1:46 p.m. I'm gonna get on live with my Inner Circle, and we are going to try and cash out. Here we go. Let's get back from this morning, but let's have good risk management, good psychology. Let's follow our rules. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, just got done with the PM session with my Inner Circle. This marks day one in the books of the 1K to 10K challenge. And today we ended up as this with our final balance. So we lost a little bit, yes, because we lost that trade in the AM session. But guess what? I don't care. We are gonna make it back because we have the best risk management, the best psychology, and the best strategy in the world. I am so confident. Today's day one. God tested us today. We didn't take a trade in the PM session because we knew we didn't want to over trade because it was bad price action. And guess what? On to tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow at the AM session, 10 a.m. Let's get it. It is the next morning. It is Tuesday, 10 a.m. I'm about to get on live stream with my Inner Circle. It's day two. Let's have a great day. Let's have some great trades, and I'll update you on the P&L. Let's get it. All right, YouTube. So we are in a Palantir trade, a little swing trade. We are about a couple percent in profit now. We're looking for this to be a nice little breakout play. We're not trading much on the indices right now because of the chop. All right, we're back for PM session in the Inner Circle. So with that Palantir trade this morning, this is what happened. We just got chopped out. You know, this is just God testing us. I know that, but we're gonna prevail. We're gonna get out of this, and we're gonna come out on top like always. You guys know that. But this is the chat. Say what's up to YouTube. What? All right, ban that kid for sure. We lost again. As you guys can see, we got chopped out again. So that's two trades today that went sideways and then chopped us out. I'm not worried. I'm not worried at all because I know what I'm capable of and I know what I can do. This is not gonna stop me. Nothing will stop me. I will do anything to bring that 1K to 10K. Nobody's gonna tell me no. Whoever wants to join this journey with me can join. It's not gonna be easy, and God's testing us right now with price action. We have two trades today that got totally chopped out, meaning price just went sideways and our Greeks just ruined it, so we had to stop out. And all we can do is move on to tomorrow. All we can do is journal it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. for the AM session where we're gonna take another banger. Let's get it.
Now I try to journal all of my trades, even if they're wins and losses, and this just makes me lock in more with my mental side of trading because it's 99% of why I'm successful as a trader, because I locked down the mental part. And this was crucial for me. So if you are an unprofitable trader, get a journal. It will help you a lot.
All right, fellas, it is Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. I'm gonna hop on AM stream. Today looks like a better day of price action, so we're gonna see what we can do. Again, we're gonna stay patient, have good psychology, risk management, and let's get back in it. Let's go. Up about 45 bucks on Hood. Caught this swing play with the Discord.
Guys, update. It is Thursday at about 11 a.m. We just got done with AM session. We took 2 W's today. The account is over 1,000 now. We are in the positive. I think we're around 1,000 50. Two good trades, one on Shopify, one on Robinhood stock. Both swing trades. SPY is still chopped. As you can see, this is the 3-minute time frame. So this is what Robinhood looks like in real time. Absolute chop, but we managed to get the breakout. We got out of shop for about 20%. We're doing it, baby. We're doing it. And either you're in or you're not. That's about it. I'll give you another update when we take another trade in PM session or tomorrow. Let's get it.
This is why you persevere. This is why you trust your system. We went 3-0 today after starting the challenge off pretty bad. And this is what we just took for the last PM session about 20 minutes ago. Took about 30% almost on SPY. The whole entire Discord took it with me. This is what happens when you stick to your own plans, stick to the 3C strategy. You will always be successful. Even though I won the trade, I'm still gonna journal it. I'm still gonna note down what I did right, what I did wrong, and maybe what I could do better, even if it was a winning trade. These successes that you put on a piece of paper make you more confident. And this is what I was talking about with my mentorship group yesterday. I wrote down, I will complete this challenge. I will succeed. I will be a millionaire trader. I will be confident, and I will do whatever I say I will do. That's called discipline. Before I go, my balance in my account is sitting at $1,082. We'll see what it is by tomorrow. Holy, imagine if we caught this. Hey, no FOMO. I'll see you guys tomorrow in Miami for AM session. Peace out.
What is up, fellas? Back with another update on the 1 to 10K challenge. Look at this beauty of a trade we caught this morning on ARM, bottom and top, takes it for about 40%. Put me up about 100 something bucks. We're feeling good. It's just 10 a.m. and we have all day to keep going. I'm so happy we stuck to this. I'm so happy my psychology is good and I didn't let myself get down from losing in the beginning, because now we're up, baby, and it's only up from here. Let's go.
All right, guys, so we did not take a trade in the PM session. 1 to 10K is going great. We fought over some hardships in the first part of the week. Obviously, we had some losses, but we're back, baby. My account is over 1,200 mark. As you can see, we're following our strategy, we're following our rules, and that's all it takes, right? Whenever something tries to knock you down, you get back up, and that's how I've always lived. That's how I've been raised. That's what I'm keep doing. I'm taking this $1,000 to $10,000, and nobody can tell me different. I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out. All right, guys, welcome back. Another update on the challenge. We took an Apple call today this morning and ran it all the way to 60%. As you guys can see, absolutely ripped today. Shout out my boy Nick, the analyst in my Discord that called it out. Took it with everyone. Here's some profits. 84, 94. We got 1,200, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, we are in a Tesla call right now. We've only taken 2 trades today. This is how it's going so far. We're going to hold this one and see where it takes us. But good start to the challenge again. We are sitting well in the account. Chat, what do we have to say to the YouTube video? How are we feeling so far in the 1 to 10K challenge? W's? It's going well. But yeah, I'll update you guys at the end of the day after PM session. Peace out. It is now 2:05 p.m., July 21st, Monday. We are in another swing trade. We got out of Apple this morning. We are still in Tesla. We are in Open now, right? Open took it for about 15% already. It's a lotto trade, but it's one of those that can really break out because we have a lot of room to go and we do have a lot of potential. So this one, it might help us out a lot. I'm gonna show you my P&L right now so we can kind of see how we're moving right now. So this is what it's looking like. Pretty damn good. Discord, how we feeling? Up 60% on open call. Woo. Let's see how much I'm at. 20%. Let's get it, baby. What's up, guys? So it is Tuesday, the 22nd. Just a little update. We stopped out on Open yesterday. We stopped out on Tesla this morning. Again, these losses are going to be smaller than our wins, and that's the key to profitability. But it's been hard. It's been hard this week so far. We haven't moved at all. The news has been ruining the charts. Haven't even been able to trade SPY. These swing setups are just chopping. Like, we're in one setup right now, XYZ, and this is just the price action. Like, yes, we're up about 20 something percent. We were up at 50% this morning, but there's so much more potential, and these stocks just aren't breaking out. So it's hard. It's hard right now. My patience and discipline is getting tested right now. It is. And with that Tesla call just getting stopped out, it brought down my P&L a little bit because it was a more high risk trade. But obviously I had good risk management, so I got out around minus 17-20%. Didn't lose that much, but again, those small profits are so important. We're gonna persevere, we're gonna stay the course, we are going to trust ourselves, and we're gonna bring this $1,000 to $10,000, and nobody's gonna tell me any different. Again, no more trades today so far. It's been a weird week, so I'll see you on the next update. Update for Tuesday, July 2nd. We are doing well. We started off in the red this morning after our AM session. We got back, took a trade on run, it went crazy, waited for the
breakout. Let's see it on the screen. And we caught the whole move. This is what I'm talking about. We have to stay patient and let our contracts run. And that brought me 2 positive on the day. So it's another green day. That's all that matters. And we're building it to the 10K mark. We also are in a trade in XYZ. Right now, it is very volatile. It's moving definitely weird, late day volatility. But we already took our first take profit yesterday. So we're already in profit. So we're just having our runners run. And as you know, with swing trades, you need to let your runners run. That is the biggest thing I can tell someone that's new to it. Your runners will be the ones that make the most money because you let them go, right? You let them go. There's no risk on them because you already took your first take profit. So it's so important to let those go. If they go to break even, they go to break even. But if they keep going, you could have some big winners. The account is now at $1,333. We're still in the green and we're gonna keep going. All right, guys, I'll see you with an update tomorrow. Another day, another green day. It is Wednesday, the 23rd, 3:13 p.m. We are done for the day. PM session and AM session done. So today's recap, we traded HIMS, we traded app, we traded SPY, right? 2 W's, 1 loss. The W's outweighed our loss because the loss had good risk management, 20% loss, done. HIMS trade, 80% gainer. I gotta show you this stuff. 80% gainer on HIMS, 83 actually. Absolute killer trade by our swing analyst. That boosted us a good amount. So I'm super excited about that. The SPY trade we took for PM session, banger, 25% on that. But the account is sitting pretty right now. We are at $1,463 for today's final total, and we have a lot of time left. It's only Wednesday. This week is going great, and we're gonna keep going great. Let's go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Little update for you guys. It is Thursday, 10:46 a.m., the July 24th. Super rough time right now. We just lost 3 trades today, and we are down $167 just today. My account is sitting at $1,275. Just yesterday, we were almost at 1.5K. And what does that mean? Am I gonna quit? Absolutely not. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna journal it. I'm gonna learn, because every loss is a learning lesson. It's not just a loss. And I know that I used good risk management and I stopped out at very tight stop losses. So my losses weren't gonna outweigh my wins, right? I'm not gonna trade any more today. I took 3 trades today. Lost 15% on one, 18% on one, 20% on one. So our risk to reward is doing well because like yesterday, our win was 83%. So our max loss is gonna be around 20-25%. But hopefully most times I can get around 15%, just cut it short, especially with these swings, right? Yes, there was a lot of fake outs today, but I'm not gonna be a victim of the market. I'm not gonna let that affect me and say that, oh, it wasn't my fault, it was the market's fault. Because if you get in that rabbit hole, you'll never learn truly and you'll never take accountability. But it was, yes, it did have some fake outs. We were in profit in every single trade, the first couple candles, and then it just dumped with every single trade. I can show you guys. This was our AMD trade right here. Got in on that pullback, took us to about 15% in profit, and then absolutely hit a wall. We can go to Oracle. Same thing, pull back, enter. So we went in profit on this candle, totally stopped, took a halt and reversed. So it happens, guys. It happens and it's going to happen. You guys just got to understand that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and journal. I'm gonna get on with my day, have a great day, and I'm never gonna think about these trades again. After I journal them, they're out of my mind. They're on a piece of paper, they're out of my mind. All right, guys, now you guys see July 25th, 10:44 a.m. New day, new haircut. We're back. Just took a dub on Shopify calls. Nothing crazy. We were almost gonna get chopped out, so I decided to just get out and take our profits. Not much profit at all, like a 10 to 12% gain. That's all we could take today. Price action was bad, volatility was pretty bad, and we couldn't find any good setups, me or Nick. So today for the AM session, we just stuck with 1 trade. We're gonna find something in the PM session if we can, but if not, we're gonna take our weekend to review and then come back even stronger next week. This is a long journey. This is a marathon, not a sprint. I'll see you guys in the PM session to tell you what we did. It is 3:45 p.m. on Friday, as you can see, July 25th. Not the best week, not the worst week, but I'm done for the weekend. I am not gonna touch the charts until Sunday, until I have to scan and back test and obviously work with my profitability program students. I'm gonna enjoy this for the weekend with my family and friends, go see my mom maybe, my family, friends, all that. Enjoy the weekend, reset mentally, because I think on Monday we're gonna start something crazy and just go on a crazy
crazy win streak. I'm calling it right now. Even if it doesn't happen, we just need to be profitable. That's just what trading is. So I wouldn't be mad. But I'm gonna reset my mind this weekend and I'm gonna come back on Monday, bulletproof, and we are going to kill it. I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out.
What's up, fam? I know it's been a while, but I literally haven't traded all week, and this was the first trade of the week. On Rubric, we are up 56.60%. Amazing day so far. This is just how we do it. This is why we do it. Just sitting out in the market until we hit these good trades. That's what profitability is. And there's a lot of people, you know, tweaking. There's a lot of people like, oh my God, I need a trade, I need a trade, I need a trade. You gotta understand when the market's not correct, you don't have to force a trade. And this is living proof. Small losers and big winners is really the key to profitability. But yeah, we have FOMC meeting later, so I will not be doing PM session. So right now we are at, in the account, $1,291.77 with our Rubric call, really boosting us up about $150. So W for the inner circle, W for the challenge. Let's keep it going.
This is why you don't quit. Welcome back, guys. I know I took a couple days off of filming because I quite honestly didn't take any trades. The market has been doo-doo. We just didn't have any opportunities to take trades. Too much news, too many earnings, stuff like that. Today, this is the recap. I cannot wait to show you guys. Starting off in the morning, let's go to Rubric, right? We took Rubric swings. We took 2 trades off of that and ended up getting like 60% on that one and then 40% on that one. Mind you, we were about 1,500 in the account, and now we took a 0 DTE trade, finally back on SPY, 104% all the way down there with the whole entire inner circle. I'm telling you guys, this is why you do not quit. It was hard for me. The market was terrible. We had no opportunities. I haven't even traded SPY in 2.5 weeks. Like, that's my bread and butter if you know me. And we found a setup, a 3 Cs, of course, on SPY. We caught 104% on it. Let me show you the Weeble thing. We are sitting at 1,800 on the account. I forgot exactly how much it is. Around there, almost 2,000. That means we can size up, and that means this challenge is gonna go up from here. This is a sign to not quit, because all those losses, all the slow days, all the chop days, it's going to pay off. And that just paid off of like 10 losses right there. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next trade. Let's get it. Welcome back. It is the next day. It is August 1st, Friday, PM session. We just had another 100% gainer on SPY. Calls absolutely perfect IFEG setup, 3 Cs. This was insane. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Do not ever quit. This is the upside. I've had 2 100% gainers in the last 2 days. Now the account is $2,336. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. This is insane. I mean, we are gonna get that 10K very soon because price action's back, and hopefully it stays a while, because if price action's back, the 3 Cs goes absolutely crazy. And this just shows you we're having a lot of hardships in the beginning of the challenge, and now we're just absolutely banking. And this is what it takes. Patience will pay off. Discipline pays off. I'll see you guys on Monday. Amazing week. Let's get to 10K very soon. Before I head out, I wanna show you guys the profits from my members from that trade. 4,935, 1,126 on the day, 160 in that one, 205 in that one. Let's keep going. 28, 19, 37, and it just keeps going. Past my wife's 2 accounts today on the reversals for NQ and Dukes We Trust. Absolutely. 376, 1,833, 314, 2 accounts today on the reversals for NQ. The gains are absolutely crazy right now. 924. Not just me banking on this challenge, it is my members too, and that's the most important part. All right, guys, we are back. Today is Monday, August 4th. It's about 2 p.m. right now. About to start PM session. This morning, we traded SPY and we traded SHOP. Right now, we are still in the swing on SHOP. Let me show you guys. This is what it's looking like right now. We had a perfect entry. This is one of those trades that I think will boom. I am going to be in it for a couple days to a week, and we have a lot of room to go. A good swing trade to have in our back pocket as we hold it. We're doing well. The account's still doing well. We are about to start PM session, so I'm gonna update you after if we take a trade or not. As of right now, my trading view is frozen. I think everybody's trading view is frozen, and it, like I'll show you guys, it won't let us go to SPY anything below the 15-minute time frame, which is kind of annoying because I kind of need it to go live and it's still freezing, so I can't even get on it. I might have to just go on ES. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna start PM session and I'll update you after. Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This is G5. No, this not a challenger. Oh my God. I literally could have just ended this challenge right here. So yeah, obviously, like I said, I called out a Shopify call a couple days ago in my swing alerts, right? Shopify 130 calls right there, got in for about 415 fill price. And this is what happened to Shopify.
The contract price went from 415 to 2,500, but we got stopped out at break even yesterday. Does it hurt? Yeah, it does, because this would have helped us a lot. But I did follow my rules, so that's a plus. Things like this happen. It's happened to me before on Circle, you guys know that, but it's okay. I mean, yes, I would have made it probably like 600%, something like that. I don't know the math. It's all good. Another opportunity about to come in AM session, so I'm about to hop on with my live stream. I'll update you guys after. Another tough loss on SPY, right after coming out of shop early and not getting that 600% gainer and having, that feeling, and then, losing on SPY in front of all my live stream. That's how I'm feeling right now. This was the trade. Pretty perfect 3 Cs. We even had a great reaction to the upside. Entered at that point, perfect entry. Didn't end up playing out. But this is how SPY's been moving lately, right? We take out a level and we just fail to break out. That's why swing traders aren't even trading right now. I'm not the one to blame it on price action, but once price action gets a little bit better, there's no way we're losing. We're just gonna be so good. No excuses. I'll be back for PM session with a banger to make it all up. Again, I used great risk management, so it doesn't matter. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Fellas, it is 10:52. It is Thursday, August 7th right now. So we took a W on AMD. Right now it's at 71%. We got some Amazon contracts that we took first take profit on at 40%. And dude, we are absolutely banking today. Once again, we started the week out a little bit rough, but we persevered. And look what we're doing now. We're printing, baby. My account's up 12% just today. We still have PM session back too, and we missed on a SPY put. We have a lot of potential here, and I think we're gonna do this very quickly. I'll see you guys in PM session. Even though I'm up on the challenge, I need to journal, and I have a gratitude journal that I use every single day before I go to bed and after I trade, to journal my trade and journal my day. It helps me get grounded, and this is the only thing that keeps me level-headed throughout the day so I can make amazing trades and also have a good mental health. But this challenge is going super well, and now that we have more capital, we are able to get bigger wins, and it's coming right up. Well, fellas, PM session did not the way we wanted it to go, but it's okay. It's okay. But it's always hard, live streaming in front of people, them, taking my trades and the pressure that has on me. It's not fun, and I don't do it, I only do this because I want to give education, and that's the point. So it's definitely rough. It's definitely rough, taking a loss in front of a bunch of people. But again, we had good risk management. We're profitable in the week by far, so that's all that matters, honestly. And I'm blessed to be able to have a community, and I'm gonna stay positive. Yes, it does suck that we ended the week on an L. I think next week we're gonna do very well. I'm probably not gonna go on SPY next week at all. The price action is just terrible. The road to 10K is going very strong. Let's keep going, and let's have a great rest of our weekend and come back even stronger on Monday. All right, what's up guys? So another update back for the 1 to 10K challenge. Thursday, August 14th, we are in a new POI, but we took 6 trades this week so far. It's only, Thursday or Wednesday? It's only Thursday. We went 5-1 so far this week. I did not trade today because the market was down because of PPI news. So we had Meta calls, INSM calls, AVGO calls, Tesla calls, and our only loss was the AVGO call, minus 18%. So one of these trades, AMD right here, cashed us out for about 60%. AVGO, obviously it lost us a little bit. We had a great trade on Tesla that took us over 80%. And then this trade on INSM, this is nowhere else you'll find this type of trade. We caught the breakout for over 140%. I got filled at 104%, but it was pretty good trade still. And then lastly, we had the Meta call that we quickly got out of because the market actually just dumped. We caught 30% on that, bringing the challenge to over $5,000. Today, we are starting at 1K a couple weeks ago, and now we're at 5K. This is going amazing. Now that we have more buying power in the account, 10K is coming quick. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, another day of the 1 to 10K challenge. It is Monday, August 18th. Good start to the week. Another choppy day, but we entered on Tesla for a swing for the whole entire week, expiring on the 22nd. And today, this is the balance again. So we're at 5,858. We are up $131 today. We're well on our way. Again, like I said, once I get to like 5K, 4K, the sizing of my contract is going to be much higher. So it's going to be a lot faster getting to 10K. So we're well on our way. Tomorrow's another day. Hopefully it's not as choppy, and we're going to bang. All right, another day. It is August 21st, Thursday, and look at this trade we just caught on SPY. By the way, 3-0 on the day, and oh my God, entered up here, exited down here for about 60%. Neo ran for about 50 right now, I think, and it's still going. And then earlier we had a 32%er on SPY. This might be close to the end of the video, just warning you, because we are killing it. We'll see that 10K soon. We're about 6,000 in right now. We're almost there, fellas. I'll see you guys in the next update on the 1 to 10K challenge. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, welcome back to another update for the 1 to 10K challenge. We absolutely killed it today. 160% on NIO, 109% on open,
open, 31% on SPY, and it's not even midday. Right now, the account is at 6,600. We were literally at like 5,000 something yesterday. This is going amazing. And like I always say, like I have been saying the last couple of days, this might not be a long video from here on. We're gonna hit 10K very, very soon. We've been doing super well, but I'm the king of the indices and we're not going anywhere. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another update. Hopefully this is one of the last updates for the 1 to 10K challenge. It is Monday, September 1st. As of right now, I am back testing for tomorrow's trades. It is Labor Day today, a bank holiday, so we did not trade. So I still stand where I was. I'm around $7,100 on the challenge and we are almost there. Hopefully I can get it this week. I'm manifesting, I'm getting it this week. You know what? I'm gonna say it right now. I will reach $10,000 this week. It is Monday right now. By Friday, you will see, or not. I might have another week, but I'm hoping to get it by Friday this week, September 6th. Yeah, I want it to be done this week. Price action has been crazy this past month and a half, and I just want it done so I can go back to my regular account. To be honest, it's been a test because price action and market conditions have been so different than they usually are. But hey, we're still profitable. We're still $7,000 up. This shows what it takes to be a profitable trader, and I hope this just shows you one thing, that it is possible even in bad market conditions, even when I didn't trade for a week span or a couple days span. That's why it's probably taken this long, but hey, we're not going to complain. We're still profitable. We are still almost at that 10K goal. I will see you guys in the next update. Hopefully it's at 10K. Today is Friday, September 5th. And guess what? We did it. The $10,000 is completed. $1,000 to $10,000. Your boy did it. It took a month and a half because it was the worst price action, the worst market condition, but we prevailed. I don't even know what to say. I told you guys the next time I'll see you is gonna be past 10K. And I messed around and made an extra $7,000 today just because, so you could say $900 to $17,000, but I'm just gonna say $10,000. But guys, this was the most insane challenge I've done yet. And this isn't the end because I am taking this $10,000 to $100,000 and I'm gonna make a whole nother YouTube video for it. This just shows you that the Duke's trading server is the best Discord for trading. We had 2 trades go over 200% today. Come look at this. We took QQQ puts right here all the way to that gap fill. We took the Duke's gap fill strategy to the moon. Guys, we're the best trading server in the world. We have the best strategy in the world. It doesn't matter what I went through. It doesn't matter how many losses I took. It doesn't matter how many wins I had. We did it. We used great risk management. We used great psychology. And this is how you actually trade. This is the peak, the epitome of day trading. And you gotta understand, take it from me. I had a lot of patience because the market conditions were terrible. Super choppy, false breakouts, fake outs, all of the above. But we did it because my education on psychology and risk management, it's like no other. And this is just, it just shows you. Let me show you a couple profits too before we get out of here. Let's go to here. Okay, let's go to the profits section. Oh, 228% for her, 148% for Milo. There's my profit for today. Oh my God, there's just so many. $900 in a few minutes to end the week. What are you doing if you're not trading with Dukes? Join the inner circle. Literally under $30 to trade with us live for a week. Do it. $1,000 there, and it just keeps going. 122. It just keeps going. Everybody took the trade with me, and I alerted every single one of my trades on live stream in my Discord. Every single trade I took from 900 to 1,000. $10,000 to $100,000. Be ready. With this next challenge, I am building the world's best trading program. I'm giving you personalized 90-day programs. Obviously, one-on-one with me, you are gonna have my number. You will have all access to me 24/7, and obviously our A to Z trading course, our premium course, our live trading, all of the above, everything in the inner circle, lifetime access to the inner circle. I'm gonna put a link in the description to apply for my program. It's gonna be the most insane program. I've been building it for like 3 months. That's why the program has been closed for so long, because I've just been working so hard for you guys. Click that link to apply for the program. Again, I'm only taking 15 people because I really want quality over quantity, and this is gonna be the most insane program ever. This was an insane video. It was one of my best videos ever. Road to 100K. I'll see you guys next time.